Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are at the Promenade Business Exchange at the Promenade Cafe and Wine over at St. Boniface. This morning we had a very good group once again, and wonderful thing is new people came on. They are hearing about us both through word of mouth, through email connections, as well as through social media. We are on Twitter, we are on Facebook, and the connections are building. They go beyond just the mornings. Today we talked about sharing of business knowledge, and that got the conversation going, that here is a group of people with lots of knowledge to share about the business they are in. To come over, join us, and you can learn and you can get a network of people who can help you, and you can also promote your business. So join us, Promenade Cafe and Wine, every Friday, 8:30 a.m. Thank you.
But I also have
Join us next Friday at the Promenade Business Exchange, 8:30 a.m.